Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lacquer Lover, and today I'm going to be unboxing this package from Weekly, and these are my MUSTER goods, I believe. I noticed that for the weekly packages, they put these green stickers on here that say Priority Mail Express delivered by 3 p.m. and they didn't do that for the Big Hit shop. I don't know if it costs extra to do that, but I do know that shipping is way more expensive on Weekly. Like these two items here, I think my shipping was like $20, if not a bit less. Anyways, let's just open this. I'm not even gonna say what it is because you guys will see once I open it. Oh my god. I'm not smooth at all. Okay, there we go. Wait. Oh my god, oh my god. I heard something rattle. Oh my god, it's already open. No wonder. I heard something rattling. Oh my god, it's fine. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, there's so many things in here. Oh my god. Wait, but this thing was really cheap. Okay, this poster set. Oh my god, it's fine. Photo cards. Okay, I got on there an hour late and I'm still a bit upset about myself. I think I was like doing like actual work that I need to do, but like I forgot that they were going to be on sale. I think they announced it. I'm not sure. Maybe it was another one of those surprises. But Blue Moon V, yes. She told me on Instagram, and then I was like, I don't know. I even like put on my story that like I would skip this kind of like release of merch, but you know I can't help myself. So I did get this stuff, and this stuff was not cheap. You think that like for a few photos, I probably paid like $10 or something tops, but no. Okay, there's the tape. So sticky. I keep getting these giant boxes from Big Hit. Thank you, Big Hit. Okay, what should we go through? Should we go through the photo cards first? Oh my god. But this is so big. This was only like $15 or something. Why do I have all of them? I thought they were gonna send me a random one. Like I really thought that because like the poster set here is like $30 or something, like when you go to the concert. Why is this $15? I'm so confused. This is a giant bag. Oh my god, they're here. You can only buy one, which is so disappointing, but yeah, whatever. I think like maybe 10 minutes after I purchased them, I like went back and was like, oh, maybe I'll get something else as well. And then these were not there anymore. And also I was like kind of wishy-washy. I didn't know if I wanted to guess book cards, I think that's what they're called, like the slightly bigger ones, but I didn't get them because they sold out when they were in my cart. It's so pretty. I can't believe I'm holding freaking MUSTER goods. Okay, I kind of like the smaller unboxings like this, guys. I feel like for my bigger ones it's always a mess, but these ones are more fun. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh my god, the bags are so pretty. Oh my god. Wow! Oh, our arm looks so cute. And these are a bit bigger than the usual ones. Oh, these are so pretty. I'm so happy I got them. Oh my god. Oh my god. Whoa, these are so pretty. 5'8". Is this like the 5th set or something? 5th version? And he's number 8? I don't know what that means. Oh my god. Oh, Yumi looks so cute. Oh, Din! And his suspenders. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm so nervous because, like, I wonder what the other members look like. Moby. Oh my god, no! I think I've died, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, and their names too. Isn't this so... I just love this font. It's so creative. Like, yeah, as someone who does like designs and stuff, oh my goodness. 8'8", what does this mean? Oh, they're a set. They're a set. Okay, I got 2 of the same. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Wait. Wait, what? I don't know what 8 means. I don't know what that means. Oh my god, this is the cutest card. They're probably cuter ones. I'll probably die when I see the other ones, but this is so cute. Oh, I love it. I'm kind of sad that he's covering his face, but this heart is so cute. Oh, he's so cute. I'm dying. Oh my god. Oh. Let's see, have the... Oh. also have to. I feel like I'm gonna cry. Oh my god, I actually feel like I'm tearing up because these are so pretty. Oh my god, I didn't know that it came with that. Oh my god, I didn't know that it came with a unit card. I don't even know how many are in here. Oh my god. I love Namjoon, they're so cute. Oh my god. Oh my god, is there like a Jigoop card? Because I think I need that. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Barely alive right now. So it looks like there are multiple sets, and so maybe RM's, Hobie's, and this one are the same? Yeah, they're 8. Oh no, this one is a different one. So Vope, Hope are the same set, because they're like 8. Oh my god, okay, and then, oh, that's so cute, look, they're one set. Oh my god, they're one set, because they're both 5, I think. I don't really know what the 8 means. I just like how they're in the, I got these two in the same set. Him and his favorite Kyung, his favorite rapper. Oh. And then I think these 3 are the same. Hey, that's, oh, never mind, they're all different. Wait, what? I'm so confused. I would think these are the same set. I don't really know. I have no idea. I also have no idea what the 8 means. So confused right now. This is the cutest. Oh my god, these are the cutest. I kind of want to collect them, or like, you know, at least get my favorites. Like, this is not enough. So there's that. Oh my god, let's look through these posters, which are dying to show themselves to me and the world. Oh my god. So pretty already, so pretty. This is so worth like the 50 that I spent on this. Oh my god. Okay, there we go. God. Oh, it smells like paper. Oh, he looks so cute. I'm just dying at how many I got for this price. What the heck is that? I don't it's so worth it now. Like, if you got the poster set, so worth it. You can't see the whole thing, but you see enough to see that I'm dying right now. He's just so cute. This is actually so good quality. I am never gonna put these up because I don't want to ruin their backs, but this is so cute. Oh my god. I'm so glad I didn't go outside yet. Wait. Anyways, look at this. Oh, it's so pretty. Like I said, I love this font so much, and I love this blue theme. I'm oh, wait. We've seen that drawing from Jungkook before. Oh, he's so cute. He's so cute. Why are you so cute and perfect, Yoongi? Like, Haze's we don't talk together anymore. Yesterday I listened to that so much. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm dying. Din. Oh my god, Din. I'm just staring into his eyes. Okay, let's move on. Oh my god, Hobie looks so cute though. Like, this is really, really cute. I don't even have another word to describe this. He's just cute, okay? And he goes down there. So cute. He looks so like preppy and posh and like, I don't know, cute. Okay. I'm rolling this. Oh my god. This, how he's sitting is just everything. It really is. Oh my god, I love his hair. Oh my. I love how his hair matches his sweater. Like these little bits over here. Oh my god. Not just he, but everyone just wants us to die. Like, I'm not actually here. I don't know where my soul is right now. Oh my goodness. And these are so pretty too. Like, you even like whoever designed these even made the back super pretty. Oh my god. Oh, he's so cute. Oh my god. Is Blue watching this? I don't know if Blue opened hers yet, but this is for you, Blue. This is so cute. This is so cute. He's staring into your soul. No, oh my god, this one would be so pretty to put up. Oh, this one, and Tim is so cute. So cute. He looks so long and tall. I just love that VCR. Like, Tim, like, it looks like he's flirting with Jungkook. It's so cute. Like, I keep seeing replays of that on Twitter, and it never gets old. Never. I love them too much. He just looks grown up, and I'm so proud. I could cry right now. And that's it. You just have, let me flip it over. Jungkook right there. Oh, they're so cute. And now, all of my posters are just like this right now. Oh my god, what a mess. This is what happens in unboxings. This. I need to figure out how I'm going to organize this. So pretty, like even the tube is pretty. Oh my god, guys, this has truly been an amazing unboxing. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it, but yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.